Hi guys, today we're doing a quick and easy detox smoothie. So got back feeling a little fatigued, bloated, ate everything that I wasn't supposed to. So decided to do a quick detox. So this is the pineapple, cucumber, ginger detox smoothie that I used. Very few ingredients needed. I used the pineapple, the cucumber, ginger, and a lemon. And as I said, it's quick and easy. The hardest part was cutting up the pineapple. So we cut up all the ingredients, which is basically just the pineapple and the cucumber, add them to the blender. I added ginger also. I used 3 inches of the ginger because I like it spicy. You can use 1 to 2. So added the water and just blended it very well. And I added the lemon at the end. And guys, when I tell you it was so good, I drink this like twice daily and so good.